Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to set and operate this watch, Casio F-105. Okay, there are three buttons, the light button on the top left, and then mode button on the lower left, and this one is the start stop or 12-24 hour format button on the right side. And then now, if you want to change the mode, just press the mode button, this one. And yes, let's get back to the timekeeping mode, this one, okay. And then you can change the time format using the right button. So this one is 24-hour format, and this one is the 12-hour format. So let me use the 24-hour format for now. And then next, you can activate the backlight using the top left button, this one, of course. Okay. And then next, you can also do the LCD check by pressing the three buttons at the same time. So like this, and you will get the LCD check screen. And then to exit from this, you can just press any button, okay. And then next, you can also do the Casio check. And to do that, you can press this one, the right button, and hold until you get the word Casio on the display. Okay. Now let's continue with setting the time, date, and so on. And to do that, press the mode button several times until you get something like this. So this one, the second is flashing or blinking. You can zero the second by pressing the right button. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute, like this. And if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute, like this, okay. And then press the light button, and now we are setting the hour. For this one, you can use the right button also, but the number will only goes up. So if I want to get back to 21, I will need to, 9 p.m. I will need to press the right button or press and hold until I get the number that I want. Okay, now press again the light button on the top left, and we are now setting the minute. For this one also the same thing, use the right button to increase the number. And yes, if I want to set, let's say, back to 38, then I will need to press and hold, and then I can just release and then press one by one until I get to 38, okay. And then press again the light button on the top left, and now we are setting the month. Also the same button, this one, the right button. And yes, if I want to set as 11 again, then I will need to press several times until I get to 11. Okay, now press again the top left button, and now we are setting the date. You can use the right button to change the value, and also the same thing, it will only change up. Okay, 21, 22, and then again the top left button, and now we are setting the this one, the day of the week. Same button, the right button, and yes, Friday. Okay, now if we press the top left button, it will now return to the setting of the second, and if you're done, press the mode button to return to the timekeeping mode. Okay, now let's get to the alarm setting, and to do that, press the mode button, and now AL, alarm. Now for the alarm, let's say I want to set this one as a wake up alarm at 5:30 in the morning. To do that, press the light button on the top left, this one, and now the hour is flashing or blinking, and I will use the right button to change the value. So this one, let me set as 5. Okay, now press the top left button, and we are setting the minute, and yes, the same button on the right to change the value up. Okay, let me get to 30. Yes, done. And then after that, press again the top left button, and done. We have set the alarm on 5:30. But anyway, there are some options that you can choose. So this one meaning that the alarm is active. But if you want to change which feature is active, then use the right button. So this one meaning that only the signal or hourly signal, hourly chime is active, meaning that you will get beep every changing of the hour, but the alarm is not active. And then press again. Now both the alarm and the hourly signal are active. And then press again, this one, both are not active. And then this one is only the alarm active, but the hourly signal or hourly chime is not active. So for now, let me just activate both, something like this, okay. And yes, that's all for the setting of the alarm. And anyway, you can also do the alarm sound check. From this view for the alarm, you can press the right button and hold, okay. And yes, you will get the beeping sound of the alarm. Okay, now yes, you can press this right button again to return to the previous setting by pushing the right button 3 times. Okay, now let's get to the next mode, and that is the stopwatch. This one, ST on the display. For this one, there are 3 methods to use the stopwatch, but I will only show you 2 of the most common way to use the stopwatch. First is the start stop, and to do that, press this one, the right button to start, and then use again to pause or stop, and then again to continue, and then again to pause or stop, and then you can reset using the top left button or the light button. And then the next one is to use the stopwatch for split time, and to do that, first press the right button to start, okay, and then press this one, the top left button, to get the split time. So meaning now you get 4 and 30/100 of a second. Okay, and then if you press this one, the top left button, it will jump to the time that is now running in the background, like this. Okay, and if you want to get another split time, just press again the top left button. And if you want to continue, press again, and so on. And if you want to stop, press the right button. And then, yes, if you want to reset, press the top left button. And done. And yes, that's all for the setting and operation of this watch, Casio F-105. If you have anything to add or any question about the setting and operation of this watch, put in the comment below. It will be very helpful for me and also for the other viewers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.